Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy but yet delicious sweet chili chicken wing recipe. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's go ahead and marinate our chicken wings. It's already been washed and prepped. Here I'll be using some chicken bouillon, garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, sazon, paprika, and some black pepper. First, I went ahead and just combined all the seasonings so I can get an even distribution onto the chicken wings. Once I was done, I added it to the wings. Then I went in with a little bit of oil and just mixed until everything was well combined. I then covered and allowed it to sit and marinate for about an hour. After an hour, I went ahead and added some cornstarch to the wings. This will help to make the wings super crispy and it will be absolutely amazing. Here I have some oil preheating and I'll go ahead and fry the chicken wings up. You want to fry them to your desired texture or doneness. Once they are done, remove, set aside, and carry on with the same process until you're all done. Look how gorgeous these look, guys. I could not wait to dig in. The color, the extra crisp, and everything is just chef's kiss. Once they were done, I just drizzled some sweet chili sauce over them, give them a real good toss, and that's it. Quick, easy, and simple. This was just for me, guys, and I truly enjoyed it. It was amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.